Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the general management. Now we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are obviously connected with a date and time, but unfortunately we cannot manually change them. It is because we are using the automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options. And right now we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use, tap on done to confirm. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, set the time you want to use. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on the region and here you will be transferred to the full list of available regions. So just find one and tap on it. For example, this one. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the clock format. Right now we are using 24-hour one. In order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here and it will be also immediately applied. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time manually. You can of course get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers. So basically that's all. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.